In today's video, we will learn 3D motion graphics in Adobe After Effects. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the building footage. I will select the layer and go to the tracker option. If you don't see tracker option, go to window and select tracker option here. Turn on the track camera. The analyzing has processing. Take a few time for analyze the video. After finishing analyze processing, turn on create camera layer. Here you can see 3D camera layer. Go to the text tool and write some text here. Turn on 3D option and motion blur option. Now I will play the video. You will see the effect has done. Turn on this arrow key and go to the animate option. Enable per character 3D and again animate option. Then turn on position option. Turn on stopwatch icon of this position keyframe. Then move few frames forwards. Actually the animate start in this point to looks beautiful. Then again move few frames forward and decrease the position value to zoom in. Now if I play the video, you can see the text faster here. Go to the range selector and turn on stopwatch keyframe to end. Decrease the value to 0% and move exactly same point. Then increase the value to 100%. Now if I play the video, you will see this effect. Then select both keyframes and move few frames to make slowly. Now duplicate the layer and move to right side. Then rename it. Then again duplicate the layer, press Alt+D on this keyboard and move this layer on this point and rename it. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect has complete. If we start it from here, if we want. Move subscribe option and decrease the scale value to looks nicer. Again if I play the video, you will see this effect. To learn more amazing video editing tricks like this, click out our previous videos and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.